everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shravya from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, currently pursuing my BE second year. In this video, I'm going to tell about the subject social connect and responsibility. In that, my topic is water conservation. In that, let us know first the introduction to water conservation. What is water conservation? Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce waste and promote sustainability. And the conserving water is crucial for preserving our planet's fresh water resources. And implementing water conservation measures can benefit both individuals and the environment. When we come to the importance of water conservation, we have the water scarcity is a growing global issue. That is, with many regions experiencing water stress. And the conserving water helps meet the needs of a growing population and reduces the strain on existing water supplies. And the protecting water sources, ensuring their availability for future generations, we have more importance of water conservation. In that, the conserving water helps meets the needs of a growing population and reduces the source, ensures their availability for future generations. In that, we have the household water conservation tips. Now we have discussed about the importance of water. Now we have came to learn about household water conservation tips in our daily lives. In that, we have some important points that fixing leaks and drips promptly can save hundreds of gallons water each month. When we come to installing water efficient fixtures and appliances reduces water usage without sacrificing performances. You can see this picture: save water, save life, save earth. All of you should know this. And when we come to the reducing shower time and turning off faucets when not in use, site can significantly conserve water. And while we used to brush, please turn off the tap. That will conserve the water. When we come to the outdoor water conservation tips, we have the watering lawns and gardens during color hours minimizes evaporation and promotes efficient absorption. And the utilizing native plants and landscaping techniques that require less water can reduce outdoor water consumption. And the collecting rainwater in barrels for gardening purpose is a sustainable way to conserve water. Means watering lawns and gardens during cooler hours minimizes evaporation, promotes efficient absorption. When we are utilizing native plants and landscaping techniques that require less water, and it can reduce outdoor water consumption. When we are collecting rainwater in barrels for gardening purposes is a sustainable way to conserve water. When we came to agricultural water conservation, we have the implementing efficient irrigation systems such as dripping irrigation reduces water waste in agriculture. Means when we use irrigation systems such as a dripping irrigation in lands or agricultural, it reduces water waste in agriculture land that conserve the water and produces more agricultural plants. When we using drought resistant crop varieties can decrease water demand in farming. When we are uses that drought resistant crop varieties, uh, it decreases water demand in farming and it helps farmers to farm also. And adopting precision agriculture techniques helps farmers optimize water usage and improves crop yields. When we adapt the agricultural techniques, that helps farmers to optimize water usage and improve more crops yields. When we come to industrial water conservation, we have lots of industries in our country. That industries can conserve water by implementing water recycling and reclamation systems and conducting regular maintenance and inspections of equipments helps and prevents water leaks and wastes. They are conducting regular maintenance and inspections to prevent water leakage of water or wastage of water like that. And implementing water efficient processes and technologies can significantly reduces industrial water consumption. And that water efficient process and technologies, industrial technologies can significantly reduce industrial water consumption to conserve the water. When we come to the benefits of water conservation, We have lots of benefits in this water conservation. Let me see some points in here. Conserving water helps save money on water bills for individuals, business, and municipalities. And preserving water sources supports biodiversity and ecosystems that depends on these habits. Reduced energy consumption for water treatment and transportation contributes to a greenery planet. Means when we conserve the water, it helps to save money on water bills like business, municipalities, and others household things also. When we preserve that water sources, it supports biodiversity and ecosystem that depends on these habits. And when we come to when we have reduced this energy consumption for water treatment and transportation contributes to greenery plants, that helps more to greenery planets. Like when we come to the government initiatives for water conservation, many governments have implemented water conservations policies and regulations to promote sustainable water use. Means many governments have implemented water conservations policies, regulations, rules to promote sustainable water uses. When providing initiatives such as rebates or tax benefits encourages individuals and businesses to adopt water saving practices also. This in providing initiatives like such as rebates or tax benefits, it encourages the individuals and business to adopt water saving practices. When we come to the public education campaigns, we have to raise awareness about the importance of or water conservation and provide practical tips to the people in the world around the country. So, when we come to the water conservations in schools, incorporating water saving practices in schools can educate and inspire future generations also. When incorporating water savings practices in schools can educate more and inspires future generations to students in the future. Installing water efficient fixtures and encouraging responsible water use can create a culture of conservation. When we installing the water efficient fixtures that encourage responsible water use can create a culture of conservation. When come to the engaging students in water related projects and initiatives fosters and a sense of environmental stewardship. It helps more to improve the knowledge of water conservation and it helps to conserve the water also by the students. I am going to conclude this water conservation topic in that this water conservation is a collective responsibility that requires individual and collective action also. By implementing these simple changes in our daily lives, we can contribute to preserving water resources. While we are using washing the clothes, turn off the tap and wash the clothes, it can conserve some water. So, by implementing simple changes in our daily lives, like while we are brushing our teeth, while washing our clothes, washing vessels, or taking bath, sometimes we can contribute to preserving our water resources also. Let's work together, ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. So it helps us to sustain our future generations to preserve water conservations or we have to conserve water. Thank you.